My name is Tommy Bloom, and I'm an account manager for SDI. We are experts in data conversion, precision graphics, well-log printing for oil and gas, and wide format printing for other engineering industries. I'd like to tell you about DataMapper, a data visualization package. Are you tired of scrolling through your data sheets trying to make sense of it all? Do your graphic files of maps contain no projection information? SDI DataMapper will allow you to establish a coordinate system on any map image using any two map coordinate points. SDI DataMapper includes a Python API which can execute custom scripts to accomplish data presentation and drawing tasks. Python scripts can be used to create or place text, lines, polygons, symbols, and more. You can project information pop-ups, bubbles, well symbols, and other graphics directly from your database or from a flat file like a CSV or an Excel. Export the composite map with the interpreted data to any popular GIS format, including shapefiles, GeoJSon, and georeferenced PDF. In addition to GIS-specific formats, DataMapper supports a wide range of vector and raster graphics. With DataMapper, you can transform complex datasets into easily understood visualizations, all while getting the same key functions as AutoCAD, but for a fraction of the price. SDI DataMapper is available for evaluation at sdicgm.com. Contact our Houston sales team for an extended trial.